In today's MATLAB Basics, we're going to be learning how to index into a matrix. The matrix that we're going to use today is Magic 4. It's a 4x4 matrix, and it is one of the demo matrices that's easily created inside of MATLAB. Now, we're all familiar from linear algebra about how you can use row and column notation to pick out values in a matrix, and we're going to do that in a variety of different ways today. The way that you indicate the row and column that you want to use is with a parenthesis in MATLAB. So we would say if we want element 13, that is the value 13, we could say I want a first row, fourth column, and MATLAB's going to come back with the result of 13. What if we wanted the value of 10 in there? Well, we could say a 2, 3, and it's going to pull that out for us. What if we wanted something a little bit different, like we wanted the entire row of 9, 7, 6, and 12? Then we would have to use one of the wildcard operators, which is a colon. So we can say a row 3 colon, which means all of the columns. And when we do that, we'll pull out those values. Let's clear up the screen a little bit, and that was using the CLC command, and type A so we can see again what we're doing. What if we wanted an entire column, like the 2, 11, 7, 14? Then we would just say A, all the rows, column 2, and we would pull that out. Now you can also use the colon operator to not get the entire row or column, but to get some subset of it. Let's say we only wanted to pull out the values in the third column of 3, 10, and 6. We would say I want which rows? Well, I want rows 1, colon 3, that's all of them from 1 to 3, and then I want the third column. And MATLAB is going to pull that out for you. One of the other things that you can do instead of using the colon operator is you can use a special keyword of end so that you can pull out just the last value in a row or column. So for instance, let's say we wanted the last value in the third row, and we don't know if there's going to be 5 columns, 10 columns, or what have you. Well, we could say I want A, which row? I want row 3, and I want the end one, whatever that happens to be. And MATLAB will figure it out that in this case it's 4, and say that's really A3, 4, and give us 12. You can also use this keyword in combination with the colon operator. So let's say we wanted the 2 last elements of A in the third row. We could say A, and I want third row, and I want to go from end minus 1 to the end. So you can do mathematics on whatever the value of end happens to be, and we would pull those out like that.